Just come over a little bit, right here. No, right here, right here.
Right there.
Perfect.
Chilling me.
Are you part of the ceremony?
Yeah.
Oh, great.
Sure. Get it right here.
I'm AfroPopUlive.org.
Right, yeah, hold that, yeah. All right, close up, headshot. Put the arms down a little, yeah. Thank you.
Which outlet are you wearing?
Monk.
Hi,
Chick.
I'm good. Thank you so
Sorry.
much. Okay. All right. If you are interviewing next to us right now, what is the question you have? Ooh. If I would ask this question, that's a hard one to know. I can't choose so quick because I have so many. I would ask you.
Just talking about the older, but
What's the point of
something for that.
listening to this beautiful dress, girl. Okay. Thank you. On your back, and then have a picture, right? You're right. Where is she?
Right here. Sorry, I'm sorry.
Excuse me. I'm Shauna. I'm right here. Okay. Oh, look good. You're so good. You want me to do Thanks,
Hi. How are you? Oh my God. You're good. Thank you. You know, she have me as a makeup artist and a videographer and a hairstylist and everything.
The queen is here. Yes, we Hi, bestie. Real bestie. Hi. How are you? Thank you.
She's coming down. She's coming down. She's coming.
Okay.
Sorry.
Thank you so much. Can you come around here? Oh, you what? You go live?
Yes.
So come over here, so. I don't understand.
No, the lighter bit.
Actually, you're supposed to use your phone.
Auntie, the lighting not good this way. They don't listen to me. She always yell at me.
Coming to you next, right?
Spice love our life. I know. Aiden, look this way.
All right, all right. Sure.
All right.
Sure. I got you.
Thank you. Absolutely. I mean, as a queen of dancehall, I always try to represent for the genre, represent for the culture. And here at the Caribbean Music Awards, that's exactly what I'm here to do. I could not have missed something like this that is representing us. I've been to a lot of award shows oftentimes that don't belong to us, but this is for us. So why wouldn't I be here? It just gives me great pleasure to be here supporting the Caribbean Music Awards. I'm excited to see all of my friends, my brother, my sister, them. I can't wait to see Twinkle. You know, I tell her I'm going to jump on my barrel. And I just saw Baby Shaman, you know, he plays a big role in my career. So Masha Montana, you know, I always tell people, doesn't matter where from which part from the Caribbean you come from, we are still from the Caribbean. So, yes, absolutely, yes. Wait, you! Waka, edit that out. You know how it goes. Yeah, waka. Thank you.
Auntie.
So much.
Auntie. You want to ask this?
Sure, but I gotta ask it into the
I'm just trying to do a photo.
All right. Unlock your spice.
And I have one question.
Perfect. Thank you. All right.
So one question for you, Spice.
Absolutely. Let me come right back to you.
Sure. Thank you, boss lady.
Make sure I say at the back road. You good? Shaman Spice, take a look here. One time. One, bam, bam, bam. All right, good. Thanks.
Sorry. She had me all over the place. You can't smack. You can't. Watch your step, honey. Watch your step.
This is done. All media is done. Please, this is done. Close.
All right.
Simma.
What's the next chapter? If you can just do it. I feel like I'm always so unexpected. It's nothing that I've ever planned. I am.
Oh, sorry, baby.
With my mind that I get up one day and I'm like, you know what? I want to be touring with sheep all over the world. I want to be doing this or that. So it's never nothing planned with me. I feel like everything is inside of me because this is what I was born to do. I just give people my energy, my all, because that's what I love to do. So I'm just living what I love. So for me, I feel like next year, you never know, but I'm going to tell you one thing that you're the first to hear. I'm coming with my album next year, so that's really where I'm going next.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. And thank you for your work.
Auntie, can I get a picture with you?
Yeah, I need to.
After.
Team. Thank you. Well, hello.
Here.
Oh, wow.
She saw me and she's like,
I was supposed to text you. I have a light.
she always have a light.
You already know.
Let's start because they're shutting us down and sending us in.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yes, okay, we're going to get 2 questions. Okay. So that's why it's super important.
Excuse me.
Everybody, I'm so excited.
What's up then?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. Respect. What's going on?
Thank you so much. Big up on yourself, you know the singer. Jealous because I'm winning them. Oh yes, I am winning them. La 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 la.
Can I sneak in behind, Spice?
I'm not going to hold them here. I can hold them inside and do the show. It's always a pleasure. Miami probably the next day, huh? Miami next? Miami.
I'm sorry, y'all. Y'all are blocking my light. Ready? 3, 2, and rolling.
Queen of Dancehall, Grammy nominated Queen of Dancehall, Spice of Mission.
Quick question.
You don't know me represent for Jamaica Yard. When you look for me, you see Island, I represent for This is Aki and Sandy, this is Dashin, this is Balana,
Everybody, you know, the Caribbean. Yo, man. So you've accomplished a lot over your career, man. How does it feel right now to be a Caribbean music?
Thank you so much. Big up. All right. Thank you. One photo.
After. I see you.
I got one. Let me move on. Let me move on. I can't just have to be a foolishness. You know, you never touch up my nose.
Is that your
blood seed all.
Is that your scrunchie?
That me don't like with you. I know you're not even pat my nose. I'm going to do the whole carpet. Hey guys, I wanted to check in with you guys. What's going on? What's going on? What's good? How is everyone?
How many guys?
I'm sorry. Here you
I
go.
just wanted to let you guys know that the queen is outside. I'm good. I love you guys. We are at the Caribbean Music Awards. Of course, you know, me reach late. But I really wanted you guys to just know that the queen is good. I'm actually going inside right now. Go ahead. Go ahead. Wagwan, big up yourself. You don't know Queen of Dancehall outside where I represent. Caribbean Music Awards. All right, that's right there. How it go? All right, big up. Who?
HMI Magazine.
HMI Magazine.
Thank you, love. Thank
Big up.
Thank you.
One. I would tell any up-and-coming artists just to remain consistent. And just remember that prayer and work conquers all. It's not hard work, it's smart work. Because in this business and in this industry, you got to know how to work smart. So just remain consistent and always be true to yourself. Never be anyone else but yourself. As long as you're yourself, you don't have to worry about anything else. They either love you for who you are, and that's just what it is. So just pray and work smart. Thank you too. I love you too. Big up yourself. No, I'm about to full up my lip with all the something.
No, press. Nothing in it. Watch, you want to see? Watch me.
Alright, take off a little bit.
Look.
Take off a little bit. I don't like the heavy lip, though. That's a little bit.
Michael's right there. It's still kind of.
I want to get a picture.
Check it again. Good?
Just one question.
I want to talk to my best of them real quick.
Basically, how she feel about being in Brooklyn for the awards.
I want to say something real quick because I don't even want to continue to talk about it. So give me 1 second.
Hi, Spice. I'm with Hot 97. I just want to know, how do you feel about being in Brooklyn for the Caribbean Music Awards tonight?
I'm excited to be here. I am really just happy to see my people, my Caribbean people. Like I just said before, you know, I've been to a lot of award shows, but this is like ours. This is the Caribbean Music Awards. So I'm happy to be here representing, as you don't know, the Queen of Jamaica, Queen of Dancehall. We have to come represent for my thing, the Caribbean Music Awards. So I'm just elated to really be standing here amongst my people.
Thank you. Have a good show.
You too. Big up yourself. Go ahead.
Caribbean.
Can you look this way, Spice?
Oh my God. Be careful of friends. Mama used to tell me, friends not good for you, girl. That's really what I would tell to my younger self, because I feel like growing up as an adult now, that's something that I kind of learned the hard way. Be careful of the friends that I choose.
I love that message.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Big up your brand. You don't know Queen of Dancehall I represent. My publicist is rushing me. I'm so
Last
sorry.
question for Caribbean Elite Magazine.
Go ahead.
Why is it so important for the Caribbean to come together and be here tonight for this awards?
I feel like it's important for the Caribbean to come together because it doesn't matter what part of the Caribbean you are from. We are all from the Caribbean. Yes. We're still from the same place. We represent the Caribbean. So I just feel like it's important because together we are stronger. So, you know, divided we fall.
There you go. Shout out to Barbados.
Big up Barbados. Talk to me now. All right, so Barbados, big up yourself. Nice love you, Queen of Dancehall. Oh, wait. Barbados, my song went #1 in Barbados. So I have to take time out to talk about Barbados.
Yeah, go.
Big up on a nice clean self. You know, Jealous went #1 in Barbados. I love you guys so much. Right there, so yeah. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. It's not me, my publicist. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. I don't know what it is, so I can't take it. I didn't even get a picture with you. I want to take a picture. Come. Right here, look. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. Hi, how are you? Oh, hi, Raymond. How are you? Thank you for
See there? Family day right there. So
big up yourself, big up yourself. All right, cool. I'm going to say something real quick, and I want you guys to screen record it because it's the only time I'm going to talk about this real quick. Hey guys, big up bestie. I love you. Mwah, mwah. Big up. So, I know. Wait. Where's... I love you. Big up. Yeah, I want you guys to screen record this. What? I wanted to tell my bestie something. Hi, I love you. It's so pretty. I think it's a bad time, so I'm gonna have to probably go live tomorrow just to say my little 2 cents quick, or maybe late tonight. But I really wanted to mention something. But I'm gonna leave it until I have the privilege of having free time. Because you know everybody I go all over the place now and just want to talk to me. Estelita, big up yourself. I love you, bestie. Ireland, big up yourself. Everybody, Mr. the Barbados flag, them a drop. It's a very big moment. Somebody said, girl, or about attack. I can't talk so quick because it's something that I really want to address. And it's the only time I'm going to address it. So I want to make sure I have enough time with you know, to give my little 2 cents. And just to close the door behind me and keep it moving. But I really wanted you guys to see that I am good because I've been getting all your DMs and my love one just the same. We're in this together. Empress the Glam, big up your nice clean self. That's okay? Big up yourself. We look good. Yes. Big up yourself. I love you. I love you. I love you too. I love you. Oh, they're with me. What's happening? You're sitting with her, right? Yes. Okay. So then the other two off camera. Huh? Where do we go after? The security. Who's sitting with her? The security. My security sits with me, and then the other two get the other two. This is for you. Hold this. You're gonna sit down, right? I'm not sitting down. Okay. No. So who's so her? She and he's sitting with me. Okay. Okay. Absolutely, mommy. How are mommy? Look at me. I have one of my fans. Look at mommy. We're gonna look at mommy. I'm following you. Yes. Can you snap before the photo? I don't know what it is. Oh my God. Oh Lord. Wait. Let me fight. Thank you. Black clap. Mommy said, oh, Tamara, move on to my picture. Take it over. Take it over. I'm sorry. They take the picture. Mommy said, move on to my picture. I love you so much. Big up. Oh my gosh. Huh? Where's the lady? I want one more ticket. Okay, I'll bring it to Simone. Yes. Didn't they give him his ticket? No, yes. Wait. It was four. 5 in total there, right? You only gave me 4. Yeah. I'll get one more for you. Which one is this? Where's the 2 off camera? I'm going to get 2 off camera. The 2 off camera, I gave it to anything. She has. Peaches has supposed to be 1. She has 2. How much you have? You have... You sure you just got 2? Yeah, 1? Okay, so let me go grab... This is off camera. This one is off camera. These are on camera. The 2 is on camera. So you can't get off camera. I want 1 more off camera. Okay. It's supposed to be 2. I'm going to get you the off camera and bring it direct. So, yeah. Okay? Can I get after him? Can I get her? I'm going to get her. These are her on-camera seats. You're one you need. So these are her on-camera seats. On-camera seats. And then this one is... This is for him. This is for her. He's going to be behind her. So as we're walking in, it's them 2, okay? So it's them 3. Let's we're going to all walk her. You're going to get her. Oh, this was the other. This was the other on-camera. Oh, so that's hers. Oh. The other on-camera. Yeah. So you 2 are on-camera. And these 2 are not. Take it over. I'm in love with you. Big up yourself. Yes. I love you. I'm sorry. So we had to get her in. I'm sorry. We're not going to get each other picture. I'm crazy. Let me grab her here. Okay, grab her and stand. Okay. Can I get it? All right, we gotta get her. She's a politician. No, stop. No, look. I feel scared. What the hell is my name? Look at my mom. One over crazy. Let me see the section number. I'm so sorry. Where's her ticket? I need your ticket. Simone, give me her ticket. Give me to me.
Walk out where she could go.
This is the ticket.
Let's go. Where she could go.
That's door number 2. Come. No. You know you was gonna start on this. My God. All of us are friends. Bestie. Hi, bestie. Okay. I need a picture with her. I know. You know I'm escorting her. Excuse me. Oh my God! Oh, this is beautiful. Hold my hand because I love it. Section outside. I got her hand. Look at this. This is beautiful. Oh my I love you guys. Look at that. Yeah. Let's get in the middle. Let me just bring you down the middle. We're going to put a safe. Outside. Yes. Oh my God. Oh my God. Love you, baby. I feel like a celebrity. Big up yourself. Jesus Christ. I love you. There's 2 persons. Where's the 2 seats? Morgan Freeman is in there. I gotta move. Which one? It's not Freeman. It's Morgan Harris. Oh, so we you're about to make it into something else. Watch out, no sir.
You cannot jump and me stand up next to you. You cannot jump and me stand up next to you.
This is beautiful. Mommy, look at space. Can you say hi to my mom? Hi, mommy.
Come Spice, 2 hour dress now. And we in a blue. Me wear blue just because I want to see you. Come we get a photo.
You stay with Spice, let me fix it. No problem.
In the meantime, because we're standing, can we just have her sit here, please? In the meantime.
Hey, what's going on? Because I'm crazy. Oh, hi. I'm okay. How are you?
Good. Very beautiful.
Thank you. You too. Nice to meet you. Absolutely. Right here?
Yes, please.
Let me go. Give me a
Thank you so very much.
Take care.
Yeah, let's do it.
Guys, I'll talk to you tomorrow or maybe late tonight. I'm not sure.
Brooklyn,
Just know that the queen is okay. And I'm super happy and excited about tonight. Beautiful. Black and beautiful. I'm not believe. Michael.
everybody,
Black and
right
beautiful.
now,
I'm not
let me
believe.
see your jump.
Michael. Who said? I love you guys, people. Look at the queen. Come on! Yes, queen!
Whoa! Look at people! You make me wanna jump on the beat. I want to spend my day, but I'm playing up and down. Keep on moving, jumping in the fun, and we're singing in hand. Yo, and the people say, yeah, yeah, big still, I want to see your hands to the air like this. Everybody, pull them up. Jump like a satisfaction, like to celebrate. One thousand type of thing, switching up down here. Everybody jumping, in love and unity. Jump up, everybody, jump on everything. Just on the best man, with the hands on it. Jump up, I love you.